In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage invoice templates by client in Freshbooks. Managing your invoice templates efficiently can save you time and streamline your billing process, especially when working with multiple clients. Freshbooks offers a user-friendly platform to customize invoices according to your client's specific needs, allowing you to automate and optimize your invoicing workflow. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you set up. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Invoices section of your Freshbooks dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Invoices tab. Clicking on this will bring you to a dedicated area where all your invoice management takes place. From here, you can view, create, and edit your invoices. Next, you're going to access the Recurring Templates subtab. This is where any templates you create will live, and it's the hub for all your recurring invoicing activities. By centralizing them here, Freshbooks makes it easy to keep track of which templates are in use and manage your recurring billing seamlessly. Once you're inside the Recurring Templates section, you'll want to create a new template. For that, locate the New Recurring Template button and give it a click. This action is the start of creating a tailored invoice template that suits specific client needs, ensuring accuracy and consistency with each billing cycle. Now it's time to assign the client and fill in the necessary details. Start by entering the client's name. This ensures you're tying the correct invoice template to the right client. After entering the client, move on to adding all relevant line items, descriptions, and rates that are specifically required for this client. This could include services you've provided, products sold, or anything else chargeable. Being thorough at this stage helps avoid mistakes or disputes later on. With your line items all set, you'll want to adjust the template settings to fit this particular client's needs. Set the terms, such as payment due dates. Decide on the frequency of the invoices. For example, it could be monthly or quarterly, depending on your agreement with the client. Finally, don't forget to apply any specific styling options available in Freshbooks to match your or your client's branding. This attention to detail reinforces your commitment to professionalism. After you've filled in all the required information, the final step is to save your work. You'll find a Save or Create Recurring Template button. Give that a click. By doing this, you actively set the invoice template in motion, meaning that Freshbooks will automatically generate invoices using these settings according to your specified schedule. With these steps, you can now manage invoice templates for each of your clients confidently in Freshbooks, helping you maintain an organized and efficient billing process. Whether you're a freelancer or a small business owner, utilizing these tools effectively will streamline your operations and ultimately help you stay on top of your finances.